To create a landing page using Wix, first go to wix.com and log in to your account. Once you're in your website editor, go to Pages and Menu from the left-hand menu. Click Add Page to start creating a new page for your site. From the list of page types, select Landing Page. This will give you a page designed specifically for promotions, lead generation, or product campaigns. Next, browse through the available landing page templates and select the one you like best. Once you've chosen a template, click Add to Page. The landing page will now be added to your website, and you can start editing it to fit your style, brand, and content. Customize text, images, buttons, and forms to make your landing page engaging and effective. And that's it. You now have a fully functional landing page on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.